Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Libra. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your love related matter, your foreign travel related matter is seen from ninth house, long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your higher education, your post-grad education is also seen from ninth house. So right now ninth house Lord is moving in the house of gains because 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house. Either it is the money matters or your achievements in life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house.